Featuring a variety of 7 sculpted and bench seats, we've created the Sundance Splash Brook Spa to bring more families together. Boasting the best affordable solution without sacrificing what's important to us, these spas open the door for everyone to make family time part of your daily routine. Whether you're looking for a deep soak or a cool-down experience, this open seating model showcases easy-to-adjust two-tone jets and is teeming with premium touches you'll love, crafted from patented Syncrylic material, a sturdy unibody construction, and supportive full-foam insulation. The Brook Open Seating Spa is both sturdy and efficient. These 120 plug-and-play spas are easy to install and move as needed. It's also easy to maintain, from the patented simple filtration to the resilient spa surface. The Sundance Splash Brook Spa is perfect for patios or for anyone looking for affordable, premium hydrotherapy that everyone can enjoy. Contact your local authorized Sundance dealer for more information about scheduling a wet test today.